Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Questions channel. I'm Vera. In this video, I will show you how to power off on your Poco C75. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you. I wanna turn off this phone. The classical way is to push long on the power button like this. But you can see this method doesn't work. And the right way to turn off this phone is to push and hold volume up and power button, the volume up button and the power button together like this. Okay, once again, push and hold volume up and power button together like this. You will see that the power off menu appears, and here you can power off your phone very easy. But if you want to turn off your phone with the classical way is to push long on the power button, you must to activate the setting first. Open your settings menu and then go to additional settings. Next, open gesture shortcuts. Click launch digital assistant and you can disable. Press and hold the power button for 0.5 seconds. We click disable. Okay, finish. Time to resolve. Push and hold the power button like this. And you can power off your phone or reboot. If you want to power off, like this. Yep, successfully my phone is turned off. And if you want to turn on, you can push it long on the power button like this. Wait a minute, your phone already turned on. So guys, this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.